Msnbc legal analyst, Glenn Kirshner. Glenn, I want to kick it off with you because you and I had a chance to talk a bit last night when this news was breaking, and I asked you something, and I want to revisit that question. Essentially, this indictment forces Steve Bannon, it punishes him for his refusal to comply, but it doesn't necessarily ensure his compliance with the committee. Since we talked about this last night, do you think that Steve Bannon will comply and cooperate with the committee, or are we still going to be in an entanglement of legal maneuvering for the next few months?
You know, Tiffany, I suspect Steve Bannon has absolutely no interest in providing truthful testimony to the House Select Committee, which could potentially incriminate his protector, Donald Trump. Now, here's what will happen moving forward in the criminal contempt case. The prosecutors may very well engage in negotiations with Steve Bannon. For example, they could say, listen, we will extend you a plea offer and we will cap our request regarding your sentence. I'm going to just make up a figure at 90 days in prison if you agree to appear and testify truthfully and fully before the House Select Committee. So I will say this presents an opportunity for Steve Bannon to cooperate. Do we think Steve Bannon will cooperate? If he does, do we think he can put 3 truthful words together if he were placed under oath and asked about what Donald Trump did? Very unlikely. And Tiffany, that's why, as you and I have discussed, Congress should never take its own power of inherent contempt off the table, because this criminal prosecution is designed to punish Steve Bannon for the crime he inarguably committed, contempt of Congress. But Congress's inherent power of contempt is designed to compel the testimony of witnesses before Congress, two very different vehicles.
It's designed to compel, but also it sends a message to would-be insurrectionists, Malcolm. When you look at that there's